Hello ladies and gentlemen, Mr. McCrossin here, excited that you are checking out my Google site. I was asked to make this video by a student who just wanted a better tutorial of how to walk through my Google site and find things. So that's exactly what this video is for. For most of my students, everything they need is under Math 102. That's going to be for my regular 6th grade math students. So under Math 102 we have daily slides, and let's get me out of the way there. Perfect. And the daily slides, you can click on any week. So let's look at our first week of school. And we have each day's Google Slides that I use to teach in class. These can be viewed by parents and students. If you can't view them, then that's an issue on my end. Just let me know. I do try to double check, but mistakes happen. I also put underneath that day the homework assigned. So if you're seeing something in the grade book from a specific day, you can always check here for kind of a better description of what it is. Sometimes it's linked. Sometimes it says, hey, this Edpuzzle was assigned on Google Classroom. This IXL was linked on Google Classroom. Other times it will be a little bit more specific, and it might have a direct link there for you. I can't post everything on Google Classroom, so this is a good way just to keep track. And again, sometimes I'll post a few days in advance, but oftentimes it'll be about a day behind whatever we did in class. I do try to keep this up to date, but it is just another step to follow. So if you're confused on a missing work, if your student's been sick for a few days, here's a great place to look to find out what they missed. And these slides also are shared on Google Classroom each day for the students to view. If your student wants to improve their grade drastically, where they should be looking is under the Save My Grade Test Retake section. So this is information on any test we do in class and how to retake it. So for example, we'll look at our very first one, Skills Trainer 6.1. And when I click on it, a drop-down information appears. So again, drop-down information appears, and it talks about where this quiz is, how to find it. Oh, there's also full step-by-step instructions with Google Slides. So if I were to open that up, here's a step-by-step on what you're clicking, where to go, how to find it. Some of these things I can't send a direct link to. We spend about 5 minutes in class going over how to find it. But if your student's not using their class time wisely, they aren't getting their work done within the 25-30 minutes I allow them to work on this, then here is your backup. Everything is right here. If you're asking me about test or quizzes, I'm going to send you to my Google site. Now I also have chapter breakdown. So we'll look at chapter 6, for example. Parent letter has not been added yet. It's on my to-do list. It looks like we have writing equations for 1 variables. These were notes from last week. My video has not been made yet. Again, I try to put these resources here, but it is above and beyond what is required of me, so I get to it whenever I have a free moment to catch up and update my website with video and notes. These notes right here are notes we did in class. All my notes are Google Notes, so your students can use them on any test. And again, I will do that for everything we have here. Sometimes I'm ahead, sometimes I'm a little behind, but it's just another resource I provide to help your students out. As far as previous chapters, if you want to see a more complete viewing, this would be everything we did quarter 1. Whether it was order of operations, linked videos, and again, this is a little bit more complete because it was last quarter. So anyhow, point being, that is how you'd use the most math websites. Now, if you're in my honors class, you're going to use Math 151, same setup. If you are in my Sparta time, again, all we have there is daily slides, and I link those about 1 week at a time. So if your student's missing daily slideshows, this is where they can check. And I also have information for my club at Dungeons & Dragons. Now for the parents that are still watching this, awesome, you're at rock stars. Here is what's under my home. First, I have a link to my YouTube channel where all my videos are posted. I also have links to important websites to help students understand big ideas better, to understand IXL better. And there's also a tab here just for parents that links you to Cascades Middle School, the Symbaloo page, which is where your students log into everything. The Auburn School District Technology for Families page, if your student's having trouble with YouTube or having other issues there. A lot of great tutorials. How to make your student's Chromebook run faster by clearing out the cache and cookies. And again, some additional features and websites, as well as from Open House back in October and what information I shared with parents there. Anyhow, I hope this video is helpful. Let me know if you have other things you'd like to see me add to my Google site. And have a great rest of your day, ladies and gentlemen. See you later.